Welcome, here I've got KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to click on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode and the volume button is here. So when we tap on this, now we can take a picture. So this is how it works, and to change this function we have to go to more advanced settings, and we can do it by tapping on this button here. And here we have different buttons to pick, and we have to go to this button here with the settings, and this gives us access to the camera settings, which are more advanced. And as you can see in the capture settings here at the third position we have the volume key functions. So when we tap on this we can change it, and we can pick from volume, shoot and zoom. So for now it's shoot. As you can see I've taken the photo and I'm going to pick to zoom to show you how it works different. And let's go back to the standard camera view and let's go again and see how it works. And as you can see, for now with this icon we can zoom easily by using these two buttons. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.